Hey guys, thought I'd just give you an update of what I'm up to tonight. Went out and bought the cheapest soldering iron I could buy, 25 watt, and this is the side of my Krager louvers. That's got some cracks in it. There's one right there, and I gotta glue that on. Never done this before. Plastic welding. So I'll just show you how I'm doing it. Heating this sucker up real bad and following it along the crack here. And just, ouch, that's fucking hot. Spreading it out. Moving the plastic around and filling in the crack. That's really the only way to do it. So I've read and watched videos of other people plastic welding, and I've been bending this. It's just a tin, kind of a key ring, and just been bending it into kind of like a just a wiggly kind of a shape, and pushed it into where the crack is so it goes across it, and heated that sucker up real hot so that it pushes right into the plastic, and then cover it over. Now for filler, I took the broken plastic louver off the hood of my car and cut it up into small slivers, and I'm using that for filler, so we'll see how it goes. So I just basically took the tip of the needle, and it was cracked right across the top here, and I dug into it with the tip of the needle, the soldering iron all the way across, making a trench, and then held it on its side and filled it in. I didn't have to add any plastic to this one yet. I'm going to add some of that wiggly pieces of metal into it. I was just thinking to myself, I wonder if that's going to be an issue. Maybe this is supposed to be slid down flush with that. Fuck. Oh, there's another crack right there starting. Right there, I'll have to fill that in too. Ooh. Okay, so I carried in the other piece. The car I got this off of, the guy had riveted in a few of the pieces. This one had a rivet in it too. I had to grind that out to hold it together, so grinding them out's a pain in the ass, then I gotta put it back in. Or not, I don't know. These holes now where the rivet used to go. This thing's pretty friggin' fragile. I mean, the one I had on the back of my other car, it was the exact same, and it broke a couple times. A piece shattered off here. That was a pain in the ass to glue back on. I didn't plastic weld that one, but I tell you, little joints right here, like where this one's broke, No chance. Glue does not hold that. Right in there. So, been using the trunk liner out of my Hyundai to pick this thing up and carry it. And believe it or not, I drove 2.5 hours with this thing stuffed into the back seat. My front seat's up all the way, me jammed against the steering wheel because I couldn't take it apart, except for that side. Well, let's see what we can do. Well, I got it. So let's see in there. So I jammed a wire going that way and built up this edge right here. There's a crack going all the way across it and all the way down. And kinks out of the slats, but people say, Kevin, what the hell is that thing on your back window? It's ugly, get rid of it. Fuck that. It's awesome and I love it. It's exactly what I think of when I think of 1980s cars, sports cars. 300ZX, the old one, Camaro, and the old Mustangs all had these on the back windows for an option. I don't care if it's tacky. It's cool looking, it keeps the heat out. Fuck, I should probably mark that. Which way it goes. Right there. And that's up, goes that way. Sorry guys, I had to use 2 hands, but you know, you get the idea.